So this is how to watch YouTube Shorts on an iPad or Android tablet. I tested it on my Chromebook in the YouTube app, and it worked, which is an Android version, and this should work on your Android tablet. You can try it. So what you'll do is send this video to yourself, or like save it in your Notes app, or to your Watch Later to watch YouTube Shorts whenever you want. And this is working right now as of recording this, and most likely when I edit and upload this, because I'm going to edit and upload this tomorrow. Happy Memorial Day, by the way. So here's what you do. So click the link that's in the description or comments. Since I've not made that video yet, I just tested this out on my newest video. I'm going to turn this down on my iPad because it's loud. And this should work, like right now. Try it. This is an iPad Air, just so you know. And what you do is go to the comments and click the blue link or the description on this video. They both work. And click it. Now it's going to take you... It won't be this one because, again, I haven't made the YouTube Shorts yet. This is just my newest YouTube Short. So it will take you to this video. And if you want, you can like it. So YouTube obviously has a hidden Shorts player. And I think you can access YouTube Shorts on your iPad through the web browser. But this is the easiest way. So just click the link in the comments or description. And it works on iPad, or it should also work on Android tablet. Unfortunately, I don't have one to test it on. But now you can just scroll, and it's going to go to your YouTube Shorts. And it works in portrait as well as in landscape. So just like send or save this to your Watch Later, send this to yourself, whatever, and let me know if this works in the comments. And again, like, it's working right now. YouTube might make this not work in the future. So it's a bit of a quick video today, but if you liked it, something that goes really far is liking and subscribing to my channel. That really helps me. I only have 365 subscribers. Let's see, can we get that to 400? So yes, hopefully this works for you. It works for me, so I can watch YouTube Shorts on my iPad now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, let me know if this works in the comments. Like, subscribe if it worked, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.